Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. And in today's video, I wanted to show you guys a quick little spring kind of clothing haul and lookbook. This is a collective haul over like a bunch of small purchases I've done over the past few months, and everything in this haul is super affordable. I shopped at places like Missguided, Boohoo, and Pretty Little Thing. This is kind of like my spring inspiration, so I pulled everything from my closet that I want to wear this season, but I do have like the newer pieces mixed in here that I will be trying on for you guys. So yeah, as of right now, I don't know where I'll be wearing any of these pieces because I can't leave my house. I'm sure neither can you. Praying for you guys, praying for the best. Love you guys so much. And without any more rambling, let's jump into this spring clothing haul. Alright, so the first piece that I picked up, this is actually from Boohoo. My whole stomach is out. I thought it's super cute. It's just this sort of like slinky mint green, kind of like crop top, but it's not too cropped, so like if you wear high enough waisted jeans, it'll meet it. But I'm obsessed with the material and the color. Lately, I've been super obsessed with mint green. So I got it in this color, and I also got it in orange, which with like a coral lip. So cute. And I got these because I figured they'd be cute to wear on their own, but I also got this color because I figured it would look really cute with this crop distressed jacket that I got from Missguided that I have been obsessed with and wearing a ton. I thought it would look so cute. This jacket, like these two paired together, tell me that's not so adorable. It's lightweight, so it won't be like too hot for spring, but it is just so cute, and I feel like it just amps up any outfit. I also like how it's slightly oversized, but not too oversized. I love the distressed detailing on the bottom. And then this is that same slinky top, but in orange. I just think it's so cute, and I love the color. So also from Boohoo, I got this really pretty floral print top. It's like a dusty rose, black and green, and it ties in the back. It's open back, which is such a pretty detail to it. And I love the sleeves, they're nice and puffy. That's how the top looks like on. I love the puff sleeve. Overall though, this top, since it was 60% off, it only came out to like $12 or $11. This is the back of it. It's completely open. Me personally, I'd probably wear like a bandeau or something in the back just because I'd feel a little bit weird with the whole back exposed. But I do think it is nice little touch. Alright, so moving on from Boohoo to Pretty Little Thing, I got this top right here. It's actually a bodysuit, and I'm obsessed with the color. It's like almost like a foamy, sea foamy bluish green tone. The material is nice and thick too, so the quality feels good. I love the one shoulder detailing, and I just think it's so adorable. Also from Pretty Little Thing, I got these most adorable white sandals, and they actually have like a small like croc detailing on them. I thought that these would look so cute with literally like any of these blouses, some nice like medium or light wash jeans. Like, tell me this with these jeans and this top is not like, doesn't scream spring. It just looks so cute, so spring and summery. I also can't wait to pair these with like dresses and stuff. So also from Pretty Little Thing, I got this super cute Renaissance bodysuit. It has like a nice heart neckline here, and I love the frills on there. I love the ruching. Tell me this top isn't so adorable. I think it's so flipping cute. So springy, and then with the white sandals too that I have on. You guys can't see, and I can't lift up my leg because these jeans are too tight. Tell me that's not adorable. I'm living. I also got this cut out white top. I feel like this is definitely more fall, but I can use it in the spring as well. I just loved how it had like the one shoulder detailing, but still had little turtleneck. Put it on so you guys can see. The only thing is that the material on this does not feel the most comfortable. Like, it feels kind of scratchy almost. All right, so this is how it looks on. I think this will be cute with jeans. And like I said, I feel like more so I would use this during the fall and like with my coat or cardigan over top. I think it would look very cool, especially with the asymmetrical detailing. You have your jacket on, and then you can see like, I don't know, the little cutout. I think it gives a cool, different kind of look. And then the shirt inspired me because I had another mint kind of like high neck top that came all the way across, but I ended up just cutting it so I could have the same shape as this top. So if you have a turtleneck or something at home and you want to create this cool little asymmetrical detailing, it's totally doable. And I almost forgot to talk about this other top that I got from Boohoo. It was, I want to say like $12, but I am obsessed. I love anything with puff sleeves, and I also love the ruche detailing here. I would definitely wear these with higher waisted jeans so that half my stomach isn't out. And also with this top, I probably would have sized up, that way it would come down a little bit further. I got this one in a size 2. It fits, but it is like a little bit tight and kind of restricted, so I'd probably size up if I wanted it to be more comfortable. But I think this top is absolutely adorable, and it's like my ideal spring top. Beautiful. It's probably one of my favorite tops. So now we can finally jump to my favorite store of all time, Missguided. We talked about the jacket that I got from Missguided that I have been absolutely loving and obsessed with. I've used this a ton already. It goes with so many of these outfits. So my favorite purchase that I got from Missguided, or second favorite, is this dress right here. I've been wanting like a cute floral dress, something that I could dress up or down, and I thought this one was beautiful. I've also been really obsessed with like peaches and stuff, especially on my skin tone. I just feel like it's very complimentary. So this is how the dress looks on. I am obsessed with the colors. I think it's just such a beautiful dress. And what's great about this is it's something I could dress up with like the white sandals that I had on earlier, like this. Or I could also wear this with like my cute white Supergas, my espadrilles, my Superga espadrilles. Like there's so many different ways that I could wear this. If we could go out for Easter, this would be the perfect Easter dress. So also from Missguided, I got this really cool, it's almost like a purpley gray bodysuit. And I just think that this will look so cute on. I just hit myself with this. I got this so I could wear it with shorts or with jeans. And again, I thought it would complement that same sand jacket really nice. So I'll put this on so you guys can see. And also from Missguided, I got super cute distressed shorts. They're distressed in the front and the back. They're mid-waisted. They're really cute. They're kind of short, so I'd probably only wear these to the beach. Also, I'll show you guys these all together. I have these super cute square-toed white sandals. I've already worn these a ton. I think they're just so cute, so casual, and they make any outfit just look a little bit more elevated. I'm obsessed with the square-toe detailing, and I don't know why lately I've just been super obsessed with white shoes. Alright, so this is the top on. I love this slinky material. I think it's just so cute, and it's such a good just basic to have. I can wear it by itself. I can wear it underneath of like a jean jacket. The colors complement, I feel like, really nice together. And then these are the shorts. They're pretty short, but they're not terrible. I feel like they'd be perfect for the beach. Choka is in my room. Choki, come here. Get over here. I love you. Yeah. Papa, you're in the way of the shoes. I'm trying to show my shoes, and you're kind of in the way. Go over there. But yeah, this is the sandals. I think they look so cute with shorts. They're just so summery, and they'd also look super cute with like the floral dress or any sort of summer dress. Last, I got this super cute. It's like a corset silk crop top from Missguided. I thought this would look so cute with jeans and like a nude blazer. I also thought this would look cute with like a oversized denim jacket on top. So this is how the top looks on. I did get this one in a size 2. Don't mind I haven't cut off the little like hanger things or the tags or anything yet. With like a denim jacket over top to kind of make it more casual. I just feel like that is such a cute outfit. And then a blazer over top if you wanted to go for more of like a dressy look. This blazer I got from Pretty Little Thing about a year ago, but I'm pretty sure they still have it. But tell me that's not so cute. And then I also got these shoes from Missguided. They're just these like gorgeous square toe black strappy heels. I love them because the heel is nice and short, so they're still really comfortable to wear. And it has like a thong detailing in the front. They have like a nice cushion here too, which is nice. They're so comfortable, so I'll put them on so you guys can see. This is how the heels look on. You kind of see they're just like such a cute casual strappy sandal. But yeah, they're just so cute, so strappy, so simple. and most of all, they're super comfortable. All right, you guys, so that wraps it up for this spring clothing haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed finding some super cute pieces for super affordable. Like I said, if you end up picking up any of this stuff, don't ever buy it full price. They're always having a sale going on. Right now, I'm pretty sure they're having like 60 or 50% off. So use those coupon codes and you can get a ton of cute spring outfits without breaking the bank. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday when I upload. Stay safe, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.